In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase your QuickBooks Online company file data. Now, before we dive in, it's really important to understand what we're doing here. Erasing, or purging, a QuickBooks Online company file means you're essentially wiping the slate clean. You're removing your transactions, your lists, and your history so you can start over with a fresh file. This is not something you can undo, so follow along carefully and be absolutely sure this is what you want. The first thing you'll want to do is cancel the subscription tied to the company file you want to erase. In QuickBooks Online, head up to the Settings icon, then choose Account and Settings. In some layouts, you might see Subscriptions and Billing instead. From there, look for your current plan details and follow the prompts to cancel that subscription. Take your time and read any confirmation messages so you know you're canceling the correct company. Remember, this stops the billing and effectively closes out that specific file. Once your old subscription is canceled, the next step is to start fresh. To do that, sign up for a brand new QuickBooks Online account. You can use the same login credentials you've used before if you like, because QuickBooks lets one user have access to multiple companies. What really matters is that you're creating a new company file, not just reopening the old one. When you go through the sign-up flow, make sure you complete the setup for a new company and confirm that the name and details match the clean file you want to work in going forward. There are a few very important things to keep in mind as you do this. First, purging data is permanent. Once that old file is gone, you won't be able to pull those transactions or lists back into QuickBooks Online. That's why it's critical to download any reports, lists, or documents you might need later, such as financial reports for your accountant or for tax purposes, before you cancel or move on. Second, make sure you're signed in as an administrator. Only an admin user can access the subscription settings and make these kinds of changes, so if you don't see the options mentioned, double-check your user role. By following these steps and considerations, you'll end up with a completely fresh QuickBooks Online company file, ready for clean and accurate bookkeeping going forward.